Hello friends, in this video we'll see how we can add some traffic symbols on our alignment. Okay, so actually it's not available by default in Civil 3D. You need a tool like there are toolkits for UK, USA and other countries. So if you install the toolkit on your toolbox here, it will be available. Okay, like this. So there are a lot of options. The extra option that you normally don't get with the Civil 3D will be available. Okay, one of them is sign block generator. Okay, so here we will see this one. Okay, so let's select the UK to the sign block generator and right click and you just say execute. Okay, once you click on it, there will be a pop out and you will have options to insert the particular sign. Okay, so at the top it says schedule. Okay, so you select a particular one, maybe we select one. Okay, this one, and then we will have other categories, the shape you want here. Okay, and then based on these search criteria you will have symbols available. Okay, so there are a lot of different kinds of symbols. It has many symbols. As this toolkit is for the UK, the standard is UK. Okay, so the sign and symbols are based on the UK standards. So let's go ahead and see how we can insert this. So here the size will be shown. Okay, how much is the size? And you see the origin units is meter. And let's say we insert it. Let's insert somewhere here. Okay, I just inserted somewhere here. Okay, and then let's go ahead and try more for cyclist maybe. And I like circular. No, all available. Let's see. Uh, we just insert this one also, and we can for some you have option to change the size. Like you see, I can change it like this and just insert. Okay, and like this, or let's see now what we can do with it. Okay, and you can also, the filter has another option. You can just search it. Okay, if I want to search it like speed, for speed, so all of these with speed will be available. Okay, with the text, speed will be available. So then let me insert this also here. Okay, let's insert. Now close it and let's see what you can do with it. You see, these are small right now. You can even scale it. You just select it and regularly use the regular command to scale and it will be scaled. Okay, cool. This is cool. Apart from that, now let's say if you don't want, if you want to change the text within it, actually you can edit this block also. Okay, so you double click on it and then it will be selected and say okay, and then what you want to edit, text or hat. The text, even text you can edit. Double click and maybe if I want it to be 100, okay, it's a bit big, so I can even adjust the text size. Okay, I select text and then I can adjust it to maybe 0.2. That's a bit for 0.15. Okay, that's it. Okay, so like this you can change the colors and everything. It's just just there. Okay, like this. Okay, and then we can save it or discard. Okay, you see now this is visible here. And this is how you can do for others also. You can change the text and all other parameters, and you can insert throughout your alignment wherever the signs are needed. So this toolkit is actually very useful, and it has a lot of other options that we will explore later in other videos. So that's a quick tutorial. Thanks for watching. Have a great time.